Hey people, well here's another family bit of sad farewell to. This is that 1977 K-223. It's the one that I got with its original box. When I got this I had two of them. This one and the one that I showed in the last video, which I'm giving to my friend Dennis. I got this for the sake of having one of these with a box, but the reason I'm getting rid of this one so I won't have to have two of these. Earlier I gave its original box to Tori to use with the K-223 that he has, because I found one with a better condition box. That one was a second gen. I gave Tori that fan as well. This is the box I'm shipping it in. As you can see, it's all worn and it's missing the top flaps. One of them's kind of in the box. It does have the instruction pamphlet, just like the good box that I have. I kept the good box for the 78 K-223 that I'm keeping. This one's going to Torythefanman, since he has the box that originally came with this fan. Whichever one he doesn't keep, he'll give to another fan collector, whether it be this one or the other one. So we'll have an overall look at this for the last time. There's one side. Yeah, it did have stand hole covers, but they kind of, I don't know how you say it, they kind of ripped off last time I used it on the stand. It's a slightly different shade of blue than both of those I have from 1978. It's not quite as bright, or so I think. Here's the other side. Round to the back. And like both those from 78, it has the McMillan motor. Dead cut on the motor is the F77, which stands for June of 1977. And of course it has the thicker windings. Flip back around. Here's a view of the top. The blue Kmart sticker. Also, the grills on this are perfectly white, but they seem to have some kind of dried glue on them. So, that's why this is another reason why this is one of the fans I am parting with. So here it is running for the last time. Here's high. low. Nice quiet low. Back to high. And as always, up to left spells off. Has decent coast down time. And there you have it. This is the final video of the 1977 K-223, which is going to Torythefanman. So, thank you for watching.